So growing up in Southeast DC, in Section 8 house, we didn't know a lot of banjo players. So I had to make it out as I went. And I got a little bit boring. And so my brothers and sisters weren't like the Jackson family, so they didn't play no instruments, so I had to play by myself and hire a drummer myself. Let me turn them up.